Yes, people, big at yourselves. It's the Mental Emancipation Network back at you again. And look at this, I'm out and about again. Back in the south of Wales. And I'm just about to, just gonna have a nice little walk, I think. See where my feet takes me again. So yeah, south of Wales. And I'm gonna try and do Ohbliv. Me and these Welsh pronunciations. I'm gonna get it right one day. But yeah, just another little short video for you guys. Hope everyone's blessed. It's been a really nice day today. I think it's raining tomorrow, so I said it'd be rude not to get out and have a little walk. Clear my mind again. See how we get on. Walking along, I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up or not, but there's some frog spawn here, like real live frog spawn. I probably shouldn't disturb them like that, but I ain't never seen fresh frog spawn in the wild. See it there? That's crazy. Like when you get towards the top and it plateaus out, it's just like as far as the eye can see. Yeah, again, I'm enjoying today. Out and about. I'm gonna turn the camera around now because we've got to see where it opens out again. I've been out for about an hour and 45 minutes now, and we decided to head over to a place called the Blue Lagoon. Oh, very boggy there, excuse me. But yeah, it's just had a really big push. We've come to some more woods. You know how much I love the woods. I like initial AT in the background. But yeah, so we came through some really marshy area, a bit like this. And then there's like a bit of a incline up the hill to get over to where we are now. We decided not to go on the trig point because we wanted to get across to the Blue Lagoon. But yeah, I just wanted to again just mention how peaceful it is out here, and how calming it is for me, man, because it's just got so much going on, like we all have, in my personal life, and then trying to put things right again. So it just gives me time to like plan how I'm gonna actually get through that. So when I'm out here, it literally just clears my mind, and then helps me manage the stress. Look at that. I think we're gonna head back that way when we're done. But yeah, man, I just love being out here. I'm gonna try and navigate through these woods. One sec. Just coming up through these woods now. I think we might make a little fire. I don't know. I'm gonna see what Initial AT says. I got a beer in my bag. Gonna have a nice little beer when I get there. Find a nice little spot to sit. It's thick as well. You've got to navigate through these little trees. Plan out a little path and that. Another little opening. I love these openings that you get. This will be a nice place to camp. I'm in the forest, I'm deep in it. Deep. But we decided to come down through because otherwise we were just sort of traversing across the top. So we've come through the thick of it. Nicely tight packed trees here. It's the only way to get down and through. I'll show you how steep it is, how thick these trees are. Just come through these thick trees and out onto this beautiful path. Absolutely amazing. Take a little left through the woods, you come down, go off the track, and then you just end up in all these different places. Obviously you can still see people's been here, but I've never been here. And that's what counts, that's what matters. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. And it's just all natural. Just come walking through there. Describe how beautiful out here actually is. Let's see if I can get some close-ups of this waterfall. beautiful out there, it really is. Oh, definitely.
Really weird. This is like the very top end of it. I've never been there up here. We've got to go up through that gap in the woods over there and then down into it. Like I've never been this far up in it before. Sick.
That is the lagoon. Yeah, these are the type of sticks that we used to get. And I've sword fights.
You got it, man. Good man. Fair play, well done.
I think it was harder than it looked.
It looked easier, to be fair. I was a bit surprised at how difficult it was when I got down here.
Hey! Woo!
Well done, man. Well done.
Yeah, we're literally stuck here now though. Just scaled down there. No ropes, no nothing.
3 points of contact.
3 points of contact, innit? Just on a badman thing. Kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. Made it to the Blue Lagoon. The water is perfectly clear. It's just algae you can see in there. Just come down there, haven't I? No ropes, no boots, no abseiling. Just man muscle. It was hard though, I got scared, I'm not gonna lie. A little bit of vertigo again, got a wet bum for it. Dirty trousers and everything, but it was well worth it. I think it's time to crack open a Stella. Cheers.
All forms of complementary healing, acupressure, acupuncture, chiropractic herbs, qigong, homeopathy, shiatsu, are based upon utilizing your own innate self-healing powers. Tai Chi is merely a self-induced way this healing energy can be activated. But don't take my word for it.
feel like a proper mountaineer today. Come from down there, really rocky and bouldery. Heading from the Blue Lagoon back towards home. Yeah. Still got a bit of a push to go. I'm going to show you now. Find a path through these trees somehow. We'll get there. Initially tea trailblazing again. Here we go. Dark now. We've been out for about 4 hours now. Just come through a little village, heading back down towards the village where we're staying. Just here now. I'm gonna follow a little path all the way down and back through. But I'm gonna sign out now from the Mental Emancipation. Signing out now from the Mental Emancipation Network. See you guys soon.